Local news for Wednesday the 26th of September. The Masterton SPCA are running feline microchipping from this weekend through the month of October. Beginning in Masterton, there will be 4 clinics from Ekirahuna to Martinborough. The inaugural Featherston Expo and Potluck Afternoon Tea will be held at the Anzac Hall this coming Sunday. It's hoped to be an annual event. It showcases the Featherston community groups, clubs and businesses that are available to residents and surrounding areas. Visitors are encouraged to bring a small plate of afternoon tea treats to share with everyone else later in the day. Nearly 50 groups have already signed up for the event. And Sam Smith from Wairarapa College has been named in the New Zealand Secondary Schools Barbarians rugby side. The team plays the New Zealand Māori under-18 this Saturday and the Fiji schools team on the 1st of October. Sam is the only Heartland player to be named in the squad. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.